night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Hello everyone, this is visa issued to the family of 4. It just arrived this morning from DHL. Although they submitted the application, they did their biometrics in around March 15, 2024, and the visa was approved 27th of August 2024. Now if you look at it very well, they were given 4 years visa. So I will implore you that you get in touch with us so that we can package your Canada tour visa for you, whether it's student visa, whether it's tourism visa, whether it's business visit visa. So get in touch with us at Slyde International. Then we hope to see you soon.